In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace email with Asana. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to sign in, add a new email to your Asana account, verify it, make it your primary login, and safely remove the old one. This is perfect if you're changing companies, consolidating accounts, or just keeping things tidy. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Asana login page. Type your current email address, then select Continue. On the next screen, enter your password and log in. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your Asana home. If you have trouble, you can always use the password recovery option, but assuming you're in, let's keep going. On your Asana homepage, look toward the top right for your profile avatar. Click it to open the menu and choose Settings. This opens a window with several tabs to help you manage your account. You may notice an email forwarding tab. This is useful if you want to turn emails into tasks and reduce back and forth email in your workflow. Today, though, we're focusing on changing the email associated with your account, so switch to the Account tab. Inside the Account tab, find the option that says Add New Email. Click that, then type the new email address you want to use with Asana. Make sure it's an inbox you can access right now, since you'll need to confirm ownership. Avoid using shared or distribution list addresses unless your organization allows it, because verification and security work best with a personal inbox. After you add the new address, Asana will send a verification message to that inbox. Open your email, look for the message from Asana, and click the verification link inside. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder and give it a minute in case it's delayed. Once you've verified, head back to Asana. You should now see the new email listed, and in many cases, you'll have the option to make it your primary login email. Set it as primary before removing anything else. This step ensures your next sign-in uses the correct address. When the new email shows as verified and primary, you can safely remove the old email from your account. This keeps your profile clean and prevents confusion later. Quick recap: log in, open your profile settings, visit email. Forwarding, if you're curious, then go to Account, add the new email, verify it, set it as primary, and remove the old one. That's all you need to replace your email in Asana confidently and securely.